Everyone thinks we make billboards, and we do a lot more than that.
We do a lot of signage for brands that are across the U.S.
The Bucks, the Packers,
The Blue Jackets, FCC, Cincinnati.
Raiders Stadium, Centennial Park in Canton, Ohio. These are massive building projects. Puts to rest any thoughts that we're just a little sign company.
Every single day we're doing like a different signs, and the way we do things is just unique.
We do building facades, digital electronic installations, billboards, architectural installations where you have real fine water-jetted metal work that's going in.
We take on jobs that other people can't, and we've got the horsepower to figure out how to build things that other people won't.
The sign isn't really just about like what we look at it. It's also a company's brand. It's how they present themselves. People here care a lot about what they do and about what they're creating.
Anyone that wants to put a marquee on their building, in their parking lot, anywhere that anyone wants to say who we are, they'll come to us first. We're a premium product, our quality is superior, our delivery times are superior, and our people are awesome.
Just getting bigger and better every year. The sky's the limit.